That's a diversion to the paddy field. One little bund has been made, and about some 10% of the water is diverted to the paddy field. The main flow is happening here. This is one of my favorite streams, so today I'm going to hang out around here for a while and look at this place. Now the main monsoon is over, and the little bit sunshine and all starts falling on the water, and most of that sediment also would have washed off by this time, and so water starts becoming clear. And all the first batch of these little fish and all, they have become little bigger and come to the mainstream. One is that rasbora, and then that tiger barb, then garra, and one puntias also. Puntias barb, I think it's called. So that's the 4 species that's there in this place. The rasbora has a kind of a stripe on it. That's how you can make out. And they're very fast swimmers. And they're also the most hardy in our South India, at least. In all the streams I've seen, it's the most common. Even in almost every stream, it's there. And according to my observation, this is the best species for reintroducing. If a water body gets completely ruined by pollution or whatever reason, then and then all the fish disappear. And finally, if the people, neighbors and all concerned people, whoever they are, they decide that they want to bring the life back to their stream, then these are the 3 species I recommend. One is rasbora, then second is garra, and third is the tiger barb. These are the 3. I have now covered quite a few valleys and waters and all, and these 3 species are the ones that are there in the worst of streams. This rasbora is particularly hardy. Then apart from that, that garra also. Garra, and then third in the list is this that barb, that tiger barb, what we call. I don't know what the botanical name and all. Then some catfish and all are there also. In that far corner, in that crevices and all, they'll be there. But I haven't seen here so far. Then another plant I have been observing for last, this is the 2nd year in a row, is this one. Very beautiful plant. And now with the rains are getting over, you can have a detailed look at it. So it can handle flowing water like that. Quite fast flowing, because it's this particular species. It is latching on to the roots of the, they're latching its roots to the rocks and all. So it has that ability to not get washed away by the uh, by these fast currents. Quite a gushing current also it can withstand. And this is one clump where we can see the base of the plant also. It's quite nicely latched onto this rock. Then this is the main clump. You can see the first Eriocolon flowers are emerging. The typical Eriocolon shape it can be seen. Then this one has about some 25-30 plants are there in this clump. This section is having a much faster flow. I mean these few plants. Some babies also there. I think from the stem also it emerges. So quite a strong current, like here you can see, here full current impact is there because the water is brushing against that stone and then some of it is turning sideways. And then there's one more stream coming gushing in from here. So they both kind of join and it impacts this clump maximum, this side. The upper part is still. This also provides a micro habitat for its recolonization in the next year also. These little babies are there. After the monsoon, it will dry up and wait till the next monsoon before reviving again. So this is one of the beautiful plants that I saw, and it's not. It's very difficult to grow for ordinary people. You need specialized equipment and all. The whole setting is very nice. So then the water comes like that, and then one diversion is there that goes like that towards the paddy field, and rest of the water comes here. And here the force is much more, so the plants are stunted. Probably this will start flowering much later in the season. Some 10 plants are there here. And full gushing of the water happens on these plants. And further downstream, I don't see any of this particular area column. One or two small plants are there here also. There's one there, one more there. Then there is one can scora that also occurs on these stones. This one, after the water dries up, it will grow a little bit and some flower will come. So that's one video.